This is a two-part video. The first one is recorded on July 14th. Here's the lavender. You can see most of the flowers have opened already. I think it's kind of fading now. And then over here's the grape. You can see some of the grape fruits are forming. And then here's the blueberry. Here's a cluster of green blueberries. These ones are ready for harvest today. And over here we have the poppy. You can see the poppies are still flowering. Here's a close-up of one of the flowers. And here's the Chinese lantern plant. It has been flowering, sending out a lot of flowers, but most of them were not pollinated. This is the only one so far that is pollinated, and you can see the fruit is forming. So yeah, excited to see how it looks like. And over here is just a lot of messy garden, a lot of weeds. California poppy has pretty much done flowering. And then here's the raspberry. You can see flowers forming on the new canes that formed this year. Here's some flowers from canes from last year. You can see the fruits are properly pollinated for these ones. And here's the garden after cleanup. I removed pretty much most of the weed, and I also moved the pineapple outdoor. Also gave the pineapple stalk some supports so the disaster won't happen again. And these are the blueberries that I harvested today. Quite a few. I think next harvest is gonna be more. And then here's the hydrangea. The flowers are still looking great. And again, you can see a few different colors. These ones are pink. And then here we have some more bluer looking flowers. And there's a bunch of blue flowers over there. And then here's the other variety, the shooting star variety. This cluster specifically is turning a bit blue, which is quite interesting. And then I'll show you another cluster that doesn't look as blue. These ones look a bit more white, but you can still see a little tint of blue in there. And here's the second part of the video, taken on July 21st. These are the blueberry that I harvested on the 21st. You can see there's a lot more blueberries. And the orchids has started to flower. You can see here's the lady slipper orchid. One flower is forming. And also the mini oncidium is sending out some flower stalks. You can see here's the flower stalk from this one. And then also the other mini oncidium is also sending out a flower stalk.